for today's video, we're going to play volleyball. And commute lang po tayo. So, wala naman talaga tayong car. That's why nasa bus tayo ngayon. Going to stadium. So now, we're here at Stadium Metro Station. And we're going to Odmeta. Time check, it's 8:44 p.m. So we're here now at Odmeta Metro Station and we need to go down first because the exit is there. Guys, if you want to play volleyball, hanapin nyo lang po yung exit 1 and galing po kayo ng green line. So yeah, paglabas nyo po is makikita nyo po yung bus station malapit sa Al Nasser Odmeta. So, let's go! So guys, we're here now. Welcome to Al Nasser Club. So guys, this is the way papunta pong court. And yeah, I'm so excited because after 1 month, we're going to play volleyball again. So let's go. Welcome to Al Nasser. Guys, magpapalit muna kami ng panglaro namin because the first game is starting now. So, second game pa naman po kami and ang call time is 9 p.m. So, abot kami sa call time. And yeah, magpapalit muna tayo and after that is magwa-warm up. So, let's go! Guys, magwa-warm up na kami and we need to stretching first because sasakit talaga yung katawan natin after this game. So, tara na. guys, we're done playing volleyball. So yeah, we're going home na because it's already 1 o'clock a.m. in the morning. So ngayon pa lang kami natapos ng game guys. And sobrang late na. So magsisiuwian na po ang mga adik kong teammates. Say hi to my teammates guys. So ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!